Good morning student, class 11. बच्चे, as you know that we are doing our chapter number 7, that is measures of correlation, and in this chapter today we are on the third method of calculating coefficient of correlation, that is your Spearman's rank correlation. So before going in much detail about the formulas and how to find it out, first of all I would like to tell you some theoretical parts about this, that this method of rank correlation was given by bacha British psychologist. It was given by British psychologist Charles Edward Spearman in year 1904. So first point which we have to focus on is that it is been given by British psychologist Charles Edward Spearman in 1904. The next one is that to find out this method we have to give the ranks, or the ranks are being sometime founded that they are already been given. So, and after the ranks are being assigned, whether they are given at first only or they are given afterwards, after the ranks being assigned, we have to use the desired formula, and using this we have to calculate rank correlation. This rank correlation is being denoted by RK. It is being denoted by RK, and that is again its values lies from -1 to +1. That is, rank correlation value cannot be smaller than -1 and it cannot be greater than +1. Now bachche, to calculate this rank correlation we have three ways. First way is when ranks are being given. Second, when ranks are not given. Third, when ranks are equal or repeated. So under this first we will be doing today, that is when ranks are given. These are the formulas mentioned here. What is the formula? RK is equal to 1 minus 6 sigma D whole square upon NQ minus N. What is D over here beta? D is R1 minus R2 whole square, and N is your number of observations. R1 is your ranks of the series 1 and R2 is your rank of series 2. Then here also you have the same formulas, but the difference between this one and this one is, in this ranks are already been given and in this ranks are being given by us. And in this, when ranks are either given or we will be giving, but after that we will find that few ranks are being repeated. Few ranks are being repeated or the ranks are being equal. In that case we have to use this formula. Now let's move on to the calculation of rank correlation. This is a question in front of you. In a singing competition, 2 judges rank the 7 contestants as follows. Judge 1 5 4 7 3 1 2 6. Judge 2 6 5 2 1 3 4 7. As we are seeing from the question only that ranks are already been given here, so bacha we will be using this formula, that is your RK is equal to 1 minus 6 sigma D square upon NQ minus N. So before when we will start, what we will be doing, to the column 1, this column judge 1, we will be writing here R1 and we will take it as ranks been provided by judge 1 or ranks of the series first. Then this here we will write R2 or we will take it as ranks been provided to second series, which are these. So here we have taken ranks given by judge 1 as R1 and ranks given by judge 2 as R2. Now bache, what we have to do here is you have to find out the difference between R1 and R2. So in this column, first of all we will find out the difference between R1 and R2, that is 5 minus 6 minus 1, 4 minus 5 minus 1, 7 minus 2 positive 5, 3 minus 1 2, 1 minus 3 minus 2, 2 minus 4 minus 2, 6 minus 7 minus 1. So after being calculating your d values, you have to find now square of this d value. You have to do the square of this column and you will get your d square. That is, first of all you write all these values, minus 1, 5, 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 1. Then you do whole square of these, put a bracket and do the whole square. And after that you can find these answers, or you can do directly also, because as you all know that square of negative values will become positive only. So directly you can square up in your brain up and then you can write. Like 1 minus 1 square is 1, minus 1 square is 1, 5 square is 25, 2 square is 4, minus 2 square is 4, minus 2 square is 4 and minus 1 square is 1. After doing this, at last you have to add all the values. What you have to do? Add all the values, that is 1, 2, 2 plus 25, 27 plus 4, 31, 31 plus 4, 35 plus 4, 39 plus 1, 40. Here you have to count and write. How many are these? Means n is number of observations. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now bacha, you will be using the formula, and in this formula Rk is equal to 1 minus 6 sigma d whole square upon n cube minus n. As per the requirement of the formulas, we have already calculated all the values. We need n and we need d square. So we are having d square also. We are having, for this we have to need calculate first d, that also we have calculated, and n also we are having. So our n is 7 here and sigma d square is 40. So bache, your Rk is equal to 1 minus bracket 6 into 40, because this d square is your 40. This is your 40. Then your n cube, what will be your n cube? N cube will be 7 cube, then minus 7. Now this is your mathematical calculations. I hope you all are perfect in doing all these. That is 1 minus 6 into 40 will give you 240. 7 cube. What is the 7 cube? How you will find out 7 cube? 7 cube is equal to 7 into 7 into 7. That is your 343. So when you will do 343 minus 7, you will get 336. Here you can take LCM, or by the different way also you can do it. So as I have taken here LCM, I will get 336 minus 240 upon 336. Difference of this will come 96 upon 336. And bache, when we will do division of this, as I have told you that you have to divide it, and you will get in point form, you will get the answer 0.285. and as this value is very low, it lies in first quadrant, so you can say that there is low degree of positive correlation. There is low degree of positive correlation. Now bache, calculate Spearman's rank correlation of coefficient. These are your two homework questions. you have to do them carefully. And this was only for your today's discussion. Thank you and have a nice day.